Ito guys, i-check natin guys kung dumating na ba yung ipapaayos sa atin. Meron kasing darating na X-Metal guys. Ipapaayos sa atin. Ayun. Nandito na nga guys, oh. Nilagay lang sa dito sa maliit na ano guys. Oh. Kumpiyansa si kuya. Ayan. Hello guys, ito yung natanggal guys, oh. Deliver sa atin. Galing sa Kibik. Ibang klase din tong ano niya guys, oh. Ito lang yan ano niya, express post pa. Buksan natin guys. Frame lang ang pinadala niya guys. Nose bridge tightening lang ang gagawin natin ito. Ayun, oh. Oh. XX. XX serial guys, oh. Wala na guys, wala nang buhay. Ayan. Hello guys, good morning, good evening sa lahat. Ito po yung pinadala sa atin kahapon guys. Galing Montreal, Quebec. Galing Montreal, Quebec to guys. Ayan. XXX metal. Ang issue guys is loose nose bridge. You know? Frame lang ang pinadala niya guys. Inalis na niya yung lenses at saka rubbers. Grabe yung ano guys, oh. Wala na talagang flex rubber ang loob. At saka maraming nilagyan yata ito ng parang mighty band guys. You know? Tatanggalin natin to guys. Sobrang tigas na. You know? Wala na, lupay-pay na. Okay guys, tanggalin natin ang nose bridge pin at saka palitan natin ng bago. Tapos higpitan natin pati ang flex rubber. Yun, X-Metal first gen. Serialize. Ang ganda guys, oh. Let's go. Hello guys, ay natanggalan natin ang nose bridge. Grabe guys, ang kanyang flex rubber guys, nawala talaga, natunaw na. Ito guys, oh, wala nang laman. Oh. Grabe yung flex rubber na natunaw. Yun guys, oh. Napapansin nyo guys, wala na talagang laman niya. Paano kaya ito ginamit guys, no? Na... Oh. Grabe. Putik. Oh, yan. Sobrang luma na nito guys. You know? Grabe. Yes, oh. Papansin nyo. Ayan guys, subukan din natin tanggalin tong parang naka-ano sa kanyang lalagyan ng nose pads kayo. Yung lalagyan ng nose pads parang may nakalagay na mighty band. Dry na yung mighty band, no? Tatanggalin natin to guys. Dinikit na yata guys para di malaglag yung nose pad. You know? Let's go. Hello guys, ayan. Malinis ng ating frame guys. You know. Yun. Ready for tightening na guys. Ayan, nawala na yung mighty band na nakadikit dito guys. Talagang sobrang tigas. Oh. Nilagyan pa ng ano guys, band. You know, may tira pa ng konti guys, so hindi na kayang matanggal. But anyway, lalagyan lang naman to ng rubber guys. So, not a big deal na kailangan pa natin tanggalin talaga lahat yung ano, nakadikit. Ready for tightening na guys. Ayan, malinis na rin tong isa. First gen. You know? XX first gen. Ito yung nose bridge niya, guys. You know? Higpitan na natin, guys, para matapos to, guys. Let's go. Hello, guys. Ayan, guys. Natapos ang paghigpit natin ng nose bridge. You know, super tight. Ayan. Super tight. Nalilisik ang mata, guys, oh. Yun. Super tight. XXX metal. Shout out. Shout out. A guy from Montreal, Quebec. Tapos na po. Si-ship na natin bukas to, guys. Yun. Super tight. Let's go. Dito tayo sa Canada Post.
Oh, you have some. Okay.
Guys, dito na, guys. Going back to Montreal, Quebec.
No, but I'll take a picture of the tracking, I guess. Oh, or it's the same.
They're all the same. They're just like stickers.
Oh, cool.
So it's the same stickers.
Cool. Okay, awesome. We're good? Thank you. Have a good one. Oh.
And that's HR2.